Welcome to your midweek weather forecast, where the morning starts off with some fog along the northeastern and eastern escarpment. We're expecting a bit of moisture over that part of South Africa, which results in a partly cloudy and slightly cooler day in the northeast, with some of that cloud also extending through to KwaZulu-Natal. Overall, though, we're forecasting fine and mild weather across South Africa on Wednesday, with temperatures remaining cool for the Western Cape, and we'll see some high cloud move in from the west. Our rainfall probability map shows a dry forecast across South Africa on Wednesday, with no rain in the forecast. A high of 22 degrees is forecast for Mahikeng and Johannesburg, 23 for Pretoria and Potchefstroom. We head into the mid-20s for Mbombela and Phalaborwa, with a cooler day for Polokwane at 21 degrees. A high of around 20 is forecast for the Free State and much of the Eastern Cape, 22 for Pietermaritzburg and Vryheid. We head into the mid-20s for Durban and Richards Bay, with a moderate northeasterly wind. A light southwesterly breeze is forecast for Port Elizabeth and East London at 17 and 20 degrees, and along the east coast we're expecting a 1.5 meter south-southwesterly swell at 13 seconds. 24 is your high for Graaff-Reinet and Somerset East, 20 degrees for Beaufort West and Vredenal, with the rest of those highs in the upper teens for the Western Cape. Cool as we head towards the coast, with a high of 17 degrees all the way through to Plettenberg Bay. A light northwesterly wind is forecast for False Bay and Hermanus, with more of a westerly component to the wind along the southern Cape coastline, with light winds expected. And then along the south coast, we're expecting a 2.5 meter southwesterly swell at 12 seconds. Still cold for Sutherland at 14 degrees, Kilvinia and Carnarvon both at 20, and a warm afternoon for Uppington at 26. Light and variable winds are expected between Lambert's Bay and Table Bay, with a high of 17 degrees for Cape Town, Longabon and Alexander Bay, where we can expect a fresh south-southeasterly wind. Along the west coast, we're expecting a 2.5 meter southwesterly swell at 12 seconds on Wednesday. On Thursday, we're forecasting warm weather along the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coast, fine and mild over the central and northeastern parts. Cape Town can expect a cold day at 16 degrees, with that cloud building up throughout the day and the possibility of evening rain with the arrival of a cold front. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a wonderful Wednesday.